Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to transfer your line art onto your main surface using a Lightbox. So the first thing I would like to do is to fix my paper on the top of my line art, because I want to keep it attached in case I lose some of the line art or I want to repeat them. So I want it to be want them to be together for the duration of my drawing. So to do that, I simply get some masking tape, which is a non-abrasive tape, and position my main surface, in this case a white Pastelmat, onto my line drawing, and using as little as I can from my paper, because I don't want to damage it, I just tape these together securely like that, and I will keep these attached for the duration of my drawing. As I said, if I want to repeat it, or if I've missed something, or if something rubs off, so then I have it attached and I can put it back on and do it again. The next thing I would like to do is just to make this secure to my Lightbox. So I put my Lightbox on my easel because I am not comfortable working flat, but you can do it flat as well. This particular Lightbox, it's a very simple one. The make is Toheto A4 Ultra Thin Pro. I think that's the name. Toheto A4 Ultra Thin Pro. So I can turn it on and I can dim it down, or I can increase the light to the highest light. At the time that I'm recording this, it's daytime, so probably if it's nighttime it would be better. So the first thing that I would like to do is just to secure this on the top of my Lightbox. In this particular Lightbox is magnetic, so I can use my magnets to fix my drawing, sort of my surfaces onto this Lightbox. What I see here is better than what you see in that in the film because of the lighting, but you can see anyway that there are some I can see all the details, and I chose on purpose, I chose Pastelmat because a Pastelmat sheet like that, well, it's not a board, it's a Pastelmat sheet. So if you can transfer through Pastelmat, you can transfer through many light papers, because Pastelmat is essentially the thickest that we work with. So the advantage of using a Lightbox over using graphite is to be able to use a color pencil rather than a graphite pencil to do your line art. So you can choose two options. The safest is to use something like a warm gray 2, which is a neutral color, and just go over all of these lines and just trace them like that. All of them with this same color, because it's a neutral color and it's quite safe to use it. And especially because it is Pastelmat, we can go over it. And most of these areas I am doing now are darker than darker than this pencil. Okay, so the other option is to use the same color as your line drawing. As your reference. For example, in here, because it's a red part, I can go and do it red with red, like that. Use a red pencil. And go darker where it needs to go darker, like that. So really this is all that is into it. The only thing that I would suggest is, for example, you know, in here I have a lot of light colors, or in here I've got some light patches, and if I want to line those, I would choose something lighter. For example, in here for the background I would use cream because it's yellow in the reference. All those flowers around my subjects is yellow, so I choose this. You can't see the colors that I'm doing now because of the light underneath this. This is showing blue in the picture, but it's actually it's only because of the lighting. But the main point is that we can use the color, the same color as the drawing. So now I'm going to go ahead and do the whole line art and then show you at the end what I've done. Right, so I've just finished finished this tracing on the light box, and now all I have to do is to turn this off and check if everything is done properly. So I'm going to now zoom in and show you that things are all the colors are done in the same colors that I need to do. Okay, so I have finished all the line drawing on this and turned it off. It's off now. The light box is off. So the difference between on and off is like this. So what I did was to go through my reference photo and just sort of trace everything according to the color of my reference photo. So I think I've done all of the lines, and even if I haven't, because I've taped it up here, I can go back, put it back on the light box and do it again. Thank you for watching.